the stage and we super love you. Go ahead and say hi sa mga best natin today.
Hello, mga Femi God babies!
Pwede.
Femi God ladies! Kamusta kayong lahat? Hello sa nandito sa Market. Thank you so much for coming today kahit umuulan sa labas.
True!
Umuulan pa rin ba?
Hindi na actually, hindi na. The sun went up.
Talaga?
Oo, bumaliktad na eh.
Kaya pala uminit.
Oh yeah. But you know what? It's amazing that you're here because alam namin you are so busy. You actually just got out of your incognito press launch.
Yesterday. Ayun na nga po, meron akong bagong teleserye this coming 2025. Marami akong kasama dito. I hope abangan nyo. It's an action series, so magbabakbakan tayo next year.
I love it. But you know what? Let's be demure and be very girly. Upo muna tayo. Okay, sure. Oh, there you have it. Okay, so Maris, kung malakas ang hello nga dun sa mga ano natin, mga best natin, ang lalaki ng mga smiles nila eh. Go, pang malakasan. The Maris Racal version.
Hi guys.
Shy girl. Here at Famland, we're very girly, diba?
Demure, very cutesy.
Yes. And, you know, they got you to be their ambassadress. How do you feel? Like, what do you think about them having you? Kasi syempre, they have advocacies, diba? So,
Oh my God, ako, nung nalaman ko na ako ang magiging ambassadress ng FAM, I felt very honored, grateful, blessed, happy kasi I always feel so happy promoting products that I also believe in and I also use. And I'm so excited to share this product with the girls, and this is their first sanitary napkin line actually. So, masaya ako na ako yung first and ako yung napili nila. Kaya thank you so much, Fam. Thank you so much sa Fam family ko. Happy Fam!
yay! Ang sarap nga naman to be the first, diba?
Yes.
And you know what? You are also all about advocacies, you know, helping out different things. For you, how do you stay as a role model?
Oh, ako, sa 10 years ko sa industry, I always make sure that I'm true to myself and I'm still myself. And I know that marami akong napagdaanan throughout the entire run ko sa career ko. At marami pa akong matututunan. But still, I'm very happy how things turned out. And I'm very grateful to all of my fans, my stellars na nakita talaga ako mag-grow at sinuportahan talaga ako. And thankful ako sa lahat ng nag-guide sa akin. My sisters, my mom, sa lahat ng mga women na I truly admire and I look up to. So thank you so much.
Nice. But you know what? You did say you went through a lot of different challenges, stress even, especially on red days. You could be a little bit all over the place. How does one control, you know, like you, ikaw, how do you take care of yourself on red days?
On red days, like today.
Like today?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, perfect! Share, paano ba?
Ako naman, I always make sure na parang nag-extra effort ako na maging okay yung disposition ko. Kasi, di ba girls, kapag meron tayo, we are all over the place. Yung emotions natin especially, yung mental health natin especially. So, pinapacify ko talaga yung sarili ko na, okay, everything might not be real because I'm just feeling things because it's my period, ganyan. So, parang I always remind myself na it's just your period. That's why you're feeling a lot of things. Ayan.
True. You have to be self-aware.
Self-awareness is king kapag may period ka. And you need a best friend.
Oh, and your best friend is?
Femi Godmother. And that's Fem. Super lagi ko siyang... I'm wearing one right now.
Wait, ito. Maxi or the regular?
Maxi?
Because you're such a busy girl.
Oh, yes. heavy, but meron kasing heavy flow, especially the second day and first day. So, yun yung suit ko ngayon.
Girlies, mga best, alam nyo na ha. To be like Maris, we gotta go maxi.
Guys, sino may period dyan today?
Yung totoo, yung totoo.
Sino? Si sa taas, sino may period? Lalaki ka po, sir. Sino may period dyan sa taas? Ang dami Okay, ayan. So, sabay-sabay pala tayo. So, magsuot pa kayo ng fem kasi super comfortable.
Yeah, and
very
super
soft.
affordable
And,
also.
yeah, nagulat ako.
Diba? And also, you know, what makes you very confident when you do have your red days?
Well, ako, as I said before, like, I pacify myself and I use fam, diba? Well, there are days talaga na kung pwede lang ihiga mo lang and matulog, gagawin ko talaga yun. But tayong mga babae, we have lots of work to do and meron tayong mga responsibilities na kailangan gawin and i-complete. So, kailangan talaga ng best friend kapag meron kang period. And fem talaga, it's so worth it. It's super thin, as in. And yeah, yun lang, fem, period.
Period!
No pun intended. Actually intended. Period.
Period. I like that. And also parang, especially you have different roles to play.
Yes.
In your movies and your TV shows.
Yes.
Tapos you have your period na.
Yes, ginamit ko siya sa action scenes ko.
Oh!
Nagawa ko siya with all the tumblings and all.
Nakalimutan mo ba? May period ka nun?
Nakalimutan ko.
Yan ang gusto natin na we don't have those days in our
Yes.
mind kasi we're with them.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. What is the best thing about being the family godmother?
That I get to inspire a lot of women, a lot of young teens, and a lot of women, mga kababaihan na nandito ngayon. And I get to share this with the girls. And, you know, best things talaga, yung events like this, na magtipon-tipon tayo, sharing our sentiments, and nagkakaisa tayo, tayong mga babae, may one thing na nagkakaisa tayo, it's our menstrual cycle. And it's fun to always talk about it and to give light and share information sa mga babae, and especially the young teens.
True,
Yes.
because they're still trying to find themselves, diba?
Yes,
So,
yes.
when you're young, you don't know what's the best feminine care to use.
Yes.
And look at Maris. She is soaring high. She is the it girl of this generation.
Yeah, thank you. I'm sorry, hi, wala lang akong wings ngayon because I'm wearing one. Down there.
You don't need the wings, girl.
Yes.
I mean, it's definitely a secret somewhat of
Yes.
us. Pero yeah, you are definitely winning right now. So thank you so much
Ate
for
Karen.
for being just so seamless. Alam mo yun, hindi namin nakikita yung stress na mukha mo at all.
Wala.
Wala.
I'm happy.
I love it. And that's how we should do it. Okay, ito naman, Maris. We are done with asking you questions. Pero let's get to the fast talk.
Ay, yes, tita girl.
I'm your tita girl, hindi tita boy. So, ito, magpa-fast talk tayo with Maris Racal. So, bahala ka na if you wanna answer both, or
Yes.
you wanna say why.
Sure.
Up to you. Okay. Go out or stay in?
Pag may period?
Any.
Go out tayo.
Talaga? Laban?
Laban ako.
Trabaho. Okay. TikTok or Instagram?
Right now, TikTok.
You look like a TikTok girl talaga. Oh.
I am a TikToker.
Queen of memes. I love it. Hair extensions or wigs?
Oh my God! Sige, both. Mahilig din ako magsuot ng wigs eh.
I like how you change your image all the time, actually.
Yes, hindi ako nagsistick sa isa kasi gusto ko na iiba-iba yung looks ko.
Nice. Okay. Also, hot compress or painkillers?
Hot compress girly ako. As in, bit-bit ko siya. I have this heat pack na rechargeable. Yung parang,
Rechargeable?
lean back siya na isasaksak mo lang siya and then iinit na siya after like 5 minutes. Best friend ko siya. And yun din yung, malamigin din kasi ako, so yun yung hawak ko palagi.
Wow, talagang you're a fighter, no? Kasi what they usually do is painkillers. Pero,
Yeah.
syempre, mas healthy ang ang hot compress mo. Chargeable pa, guys. I love it. Okay, such a 2024 vibe.
Diba?
Okay, next one. Warm bath or cozy blanket?
Cozy blanket ako.
Do you like snuggles? I love it. Sino usually ka-snuggle mo? Do you have like a dog or
Si
pillow?
Shoto, yung aso ko, and then meron din akong, pillow na aso rin. Si Bingo. Yung sa Bluey na show.
Cute! Okay, sweatpants or oversized hoodie?
Oversized hoodie. Yan. Lamigin. Asa lamigin?
As a cute girl, diba? Okay. And, relaxing yoga or Netflix marathon?
Netflix marathon. Yes.
Talaga, what kind of shows do you enjoy watching?
Ngayon, pinapanood ko sa Netflix yung Dandaran, yung bagong anime.
Ay, bagay. Okay. Next one, herbal tea or hot cocoa?
Sa chocolate ako.
You like it sweet?
Yes, I like it sweet.
Face mask or a nap?
A nap. Mas mas beneficial yung tulog. Yeah.
How long do you take a nap? In a day,
In a day, well, max is 10 minutes.
Max na yun?
Yun na yun.
That's a power nap to you?
Power nap na sa akin yun. Actually, hindi talaga ako nagnanap during the day. Pero when I do, 10 minutes lang. Tapos, lilipad na ako.
Superhero! I love
Super
it.
naman.
Natatawa si Kuya. 10 minutes lang talaga. Ang galing mo. Okay, speak out loud or lead by example?
Lead by example. Yeah, if you want to speak out loud, you also have to
Walk the talk.
yes, walk the talk.
Ito, power suit or bold red lipstick?
I like to wear a power suit.
I love it. Actually, you have a very much powerful outfit right now.
Thank you. Nandito yung powers ko sa boots.
Totoo! Branding ko talaga yan, di ba? Guys, palakpakan